Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Sui. Of course, I had to cover it. We had a major bullish breakout. Just in general, Sui is just ridiculously bullish, right? We all know that Tuesday the 23rd, a week ago, Bitcoin found support, right? So we actually put in a bottom indicator right here. And from there we started recovering. We started grabbing liquidity to the upside. Right now that has turned into even some sort of a potential bullish or at least stable Bitcoin again. And one of the cryptos that's super bullish in that whole recovery has been Sui. All right, there's been multiple cryptos that have been relatively bullish. Like Pyth also was relatively bullish, a little bit less. Pyth dropped down at certain points of time, but there have been more cryptos. Pendle as well was very bullish, but no, Sui has been very strong, all right, and for good reasons. First of all, if we look at the fundamentals, which I always like to do with layer one chains, what you'll see with Sui is that it's growing rapidly. Like right now, the total value locked is around $436 million. I don't hear too much about Sui and ecosystem decentralized applications to kind of justify why and where this is happening, but it's fundamentally it's a great development, all right? DEX volumes are also going up a lot, which is one of the most important statistics. Daily active addresses, daily transaction blocks, not amazing, but doesn't matter. Fundamentally, Sui is bullish. Now, I do think, and you can give whatever value to this which you would like, but I do think if I look at the volume for Sui, I do think it's a bit manipulated. And I've said this before, and I've also said before that it doesn't really matter whether a crypto is manipulated or not. Everything is manipulated to a certain extent. And Sui still, it looks like it's still respecting technicals. All right, so the last time we covered Sui, I think was this weekend. What Sui was trying to do then is it was trying to break above this red level, which is basically the area around 1.5, which was already it already turned out to be that area turned out to be a strong resistance level right here. So that was the 15th of January when Sui was also quite bullish, and then 1.5 is obviously one hell of a psychological resistance level. So now we're kind of in price discovery mode, not fully, because you still have this wick right here at the start. And look, the top of the wick is kind of the main price target. All right, so $2 is the main price target for Sui. And if we look at everything around Sui right now, I would say that is definitely a possibility. All right, the open interest this week, but especially in the last 24 hours, when obviously we had that major bullish breakout right here. The open interest, the momentum is increasing still. Like I said, fundamentally, I would actually say that Sui is doing great. If we look at the liquidity, I'm actually not sure. There's liquidity to the upside and the downside, so I don't really see much value in that. But the main question right now is can Sui actually stay on top of 1.5? I think the answer is yes. The price target I named in my last video was 1.75, because Sui tends to respect the psychological levels quite well, or at least initially. So I think we'll find some sort of a reaction off of 1.75, but if Sui from 1.75, and I'll keep you updated on that if you think that's valuable, if from there we're able to hold support, so 1.6 and 1.55 right here, then I really see no reason why we could not get up to $2, all right? So that's my main price target. I think $2 is my main price target. Sui right now, there's really, technically, if I'm just looking at the numbers, there's nothing bearish I can say about Sui. All right, so we'll end with that. If you have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments, and I'll try to answer them as soon as possible. But I cannot promise that, but I'll try. For now, thank you for watching. In the description and the pinned comment, you'll find links to my premium and signal group. I share almost daily investments and trades in there if you're interested in that. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.